How can you ensure that you do not waste too much of time, or how can you cut down on the wastage of time? That is the question. So if you ask me for one piece of advice, it would be that do not allow a wasted hour to become a wasted day. What do I mean by that? So often what happens is when we are preparing for the entrance examination, we are quite under pressure, and we tend to be very hard with ourselves. For example, say if you get up in the morning late, whereas you had made a plan the last night that you would finish this thing by afternoon, and then you would study this subject in the evening and then this subject in the night. If you get up late, you immediately develop a very foul mood. You get very angry with yourself, and you may end up saying that I am a loser, I would not be able to pass this examination, and I always do this, everybody is studying so hard and look at me, I'm always sleeping. So you are very hard at yourself, and when you say all those things to yourself, what it leads to, whatever motivation you had woken up with, even that diminishes, even that disappears. So you are likely to waste the entire day and again make a plan for the next day. So this is something which happens very commonly. It happens to a different extent to different people, but nobody amongst us is immune to it. Which means that if you wake up with a bad mood, and if you allow all those negative thoughts to come to yourself, and if you allow harsh words, if you say harsh words for yourself, you further ruin the mood, and all the motivation, all the desire to study evaporates. How can we fix it? By saying the right things to ourselves. For example, let's take a scenario. You woke up 1.5 hours late. You wanted to wake up at say 8:30, but you woke up at 10:30 in the morning. Now, rather than saying that what an idiot you are and what a loser you are and how you are damaging or destroying your life, you can say that, well, I woke up late, this is not good, but it's okay. My morning hours are wasted, but I would ensure that from the afternoon, everything would be according to the plan. Rather than looking at the entire day as a single unit, start looking at your day in the form of 3 different units. Say morning hours, afternoon hours, and evening and night hours. So how does it help you? Say because of any XYZ reason, you end up wasting a couple of minutes or hours of your morning session. You can always tell that, okay, morning session got wasted because of some reason. It's okay, no problem. From the afternoon, I will bring back everything to normalcy. I'll do things according to the plan. So just by making this psychological distinction, you are able to feel better about it. Now when you wake up 2 hours later, it's not that you have wasted the entire day, you have wasted the morning session. You can again go back to your normal studies in the afternoon session. See, people think that by being very harsh to themselves, they are doing something great. That's not true. You should negotiate with yourself. If something goes wrong, a part of you should say that it's okay, it happens. Sometimes the time gets wasted. I'm a human being, I'm not a robot. These things happen. And rather than unnecessarily criticizing yourself, you can always be a bit more sympathetic. It's okay. I was watching a movie, it happens. Sometimes it's okay to watch a movie. Sometimes it's important to take a break. By saying all those things, you stop yourself from going into that downward spiral. Because at the end of the downward spiral, there is nothing. You just waste more and more time. So be nice to yourself. Be more understanding about things that are happening in your life. Accept the fact that the preparation here is not easy. You are under a lot of pressure. You have to sacrifice on a lot of things. And this whole life where you get up in the morning and start studying and study till the night with little breaks here and there. This does not come naturally to us as human beings, right? Human beings, this is not something which is ingrained in your genes or DNA. You are doing something which is very distinct or different from what is your inner desire to do. So it is a difficult year. You are living a difficult life. You are making a lot of sacrifices. Few mistakes here and there are okay. They are acceptable, and we should not make a big fuss about them. So by following these small tips, you would be able to utilize your time better, and you would also be able to ensure that your preparation keeps on going towards the end. It's very important to remember that there would be hiccups, there would be problems, but we have to ensure that we take the preparation to the last day, because if you can do that, the chances of you getting selected becomes much higher. Keep studying, keep working very hard, keep putting a lot of efforts, and success would be yours. All the best. May God bless you.